Cindy with Specialist ID. I'm wearing the Thin Cat red, white, and blue strap eyeglass retainer, very patriotic, and this is adjustable, and it does have the rubber straps that allow for a secure fit for your glasses to keep them safe. This is item number 10067, and this is by EK Accessories. I also am carrying the item number 10484. This is our three-way eyewear retainer, and it's also with patriotic colors, which we have other colors as well. And the difference is that the rubber holdings can be worn a few different ways depending on your level of activity and need. If you have any questions, please email us, sales@specialistid.com. You may leave us a comment below, and please join our channel.